Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the founder and CEO of CourseCREEK, and I also have the privilege of leading a world-class team of specialists, go check them out on our team page, that can handle anything full stack for e-learning and knowledge. We help coaches, companies that are looking to augment their learning and development departments for their employees, large institutions that need to train their students, companies who need to train their partners, and really anybody with a great idea or a twinkle in their eye. We can help you from the start all the way to the finish and then continue to market all your services. Now, we can handle just about any situation, but we have a lot of experience with migrations where we go from one learning management system over to a new learning management system. We also specialize in multi-languages. We can build a course in pretty much any language that you require. We also are specialized in LMS administration. Last but not least, in terms of verticals, again, just about anything, but we tend to kind of focus a lot on healthcare, FinTech, and coaches. So I want to encourage you to take a look at the information now that you know a little bit about us, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.